Latest sort of project is respraying the small baler, so the New Holland 370. Most of the way through it, I'm quite happy with the first coat of red, and it's quite smooth, nice and smooth really. I'm quite happy with it.
Previously on 24.
I was sucking diesel.
I've left it here for a couple of weeks to harden. Now I'm going to actually take some sandpaper to it and scuff it up a bit so there's a bit more key in there. And if I see any sort of runs or spots or whatever, I'll sand them down smooth and I'll give it a second coat of top coat, so she'll be real nice after. Honestly, I took over, well, as you see, I've been patching up this because it's been so hot. The tape has been peeling away, so I've had to patch it up now. But originally, first time I did the masking of this, it took over an hour to actually mask it all off tidy. So that work now would go to waste if you just took it off after one coat. So you might as well give it a second coat and then take it off, if you get what I mean. So I've taken all the masking off. Final job now is these rubber plugs here. So I need to put these back. So basically these now go in these holes for the opening guards. So you can open this one up to get at the feeder gearbox and the chainwire. And you can open this one up for the knotters. So when you open it back on itself, these rubbers will hit on these instead of metal to metal and chipping paint, etc. So the reason I took them out is made it easier to sand and paint. Plus, all these holes were quite rusty all the way around them. So the rust had started from these holes and gone out a bit. So we needed it to be clean. So that's the paint done. Right. So maybe I'm a bit over top here. This is the new wide angle I'm going to fit to it. And while I had paint in the pot, spray gunning, I gave this a steam clean. I blew it off with air, and I gave the joints a quick grease and wiped off the thinners. And I gave it a coat of red. So the reason for that is, as you can see, the old one is red as well. So maybe I'm a bit over top doing that, but I just thought that had always had a red one. It would be quite nice if I had a red shaftly instead of a yellow one. So yeah, that's the next job, to actually fit this.